This facility stands out as the first and highest capacity gypsum board plant in Turkey implemented with local engineering. The plant has an annual production capacity of 20 million square meters. Energy efficiency has been enhanced by applying the JAF system in the gypsum board dryer. In addition to its high production capacity, the facility also offers a flexible production infrastructure for different product groups. In this way, it is designed to be ready for the production of new products in the future. Installation works have now reached the final stage. Final checks are being completed, and the plant is being prepared for operation.